front of me is LENOVO Tab Plus 11.5 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then use this icon of a photo and the paper clip at the bottom right corner. And to look for your photos, hit Images at the top. Select one of those apps or tap on those three lines at the top left corner and select one of those sources. Now just hold one of your pictures that you wish to add and hit Select at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my photo was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!